What's up everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at 50 Resto's factory style passenger side PCV tube. So this factory style PCV tube from 50 Resto is perfect for the Fox Mustang enthusiast who is replacing a factory piece that is dry rotted, deteriorated, or missing, or someone who is chasing a period correct factory looking engine bay for their project. 50 Resto's passenger side PCV tube installs between the fitting on the throttle body and the fitting on the oil fill tube. Its job is to relieve crankcase pressure and route the combustion gases from the crankcase back into the engine via the intake manifold where they're burned in the combustion chambers. The materials that make up this tube is a black molded plastic hardline and rubber vacuum hoses on each end with the correct inner diameter. Out of the box, this PCV tube will work with 1986 to 1993 5-liter Fox bodies. Will not work with 1993 Cobras or cars running Cobra valve covers, as the oil fill tube is in a slightly different position on the valve cover. Installation is very easy to do. Remove what is there and then clean the fittings. I also took the time to reroute the plug wires in the factory orientation, which is in front of the oil fill tube. Lubricate the inside of each hose. And then install the PCV tube into place. As always, for the most up-to-date product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, please reference LMR.com. If you like this video, or you simply appreciate 50 Resto's commitment to restoring Fox body Mustangs, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Fox Mustang content and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.